everybody, this is Nish with KolorPop Designz, and today I am back with another video. This is a fun video. It is going to be another party tutorial slash DIY. I have partnered up with Shimmer Confetti, and they sent me this box. Now what Shimmer Confetti is a company that does balloon garland kits. So basically you're given a box that has everything you need in the box to create your own unique balloon garland for a baby shower, a party, a birthday, a celebration, what have you. And yeah, so we are going to get into this box so we can see what's inside. And I will link their page down below, their shop. I will link their shop down below. And they are also on Amazon. And the kit I was given, so I got to choose. So I chose a pastel color balloon garland kit. So this is how the items look when you receive it. Everything's packed nicely into this box. And I like how it has the little drawstring cord. I think that is so cute. So we have a little Ziploc baggie. And in this Ziploc bag, let's see what we got here. It looks like we have some fishing line. We have some, what I think is glue dots. Yes. We have 2 packs of glue dots. Two different color of balloon string. We have gold and pink. And okay, so some people are not good with doing balloon garlands on a fishing line. And it can be, you know, you just have to get used to it. Some people use fishing line, or they may use like this balloon strip, which is good for beginners. I can't say that, it is good for beginners. So basically this is, let me try to take this here. So here you have, you can see that. So you will put your ends of your balloon, and I will show you in a video for those who want to use the balloon strip. I may not be using the balloon strip, or maybe using fishing line, but you would just put your, but when you loop your balloon, you just put it in here and you'll just kind of feed it through onto this strip. So far, this is a really good kit. It has everything you need, so you don't need to go to the store and get anything. Oh, wow, look. It has a balloon pump. Now, if you don't have a balloon machine, I actually do. It's easier, faster. But if you don't have one of these, you can get this off of Amazon as well. You can definitely use the balloon pump, and it'll get the job done. Now, here is the color of balloons. Hopefully that is coming up. And these are really pretty colors. So the kit comes with 133 pieces with a variety of small balloons, your 12-inch balloons, and your jumbo big balloons. So yeah, we got 2 packs of those. And this kit actually came with, this was a, even though it has the pastel color balloons, it has a unicorn. That came with this kit. So this would be fun if you're trying to do a unicorn themed party, or a baby shower, or a 1-year-old birthday, or what have you. But it's cute. Look at this. This is so cute. This is real pretty. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. If you want to comment down below what you think so far. Hit that notification bell to be aware of whenever I post videos. Subscribe, of course. And also it comes with these little cute stars. So we got 2 pink ones and 2 gold ones. And these are just some foil balloons. And again, you can use the balloon pump for this. Little mini pamphlet booklet to tell you how to blow your balloons up and how to decorate your balloons. So I think that's really neat, especially for someone who has never tried this before and they don't want to hire someone to come in and do it and they want to try to do it themselves. This is definitely a DIY kit. And again, the bag has Shimmer Confetti on there. I think this is so neat. This is really pretty packaging. And I'm loving the pastel colors, y'all. I'm loving it. So, we have some pink, we have some purple, we have some yellow and green, and the baby blue color. There's more. Oh, these are all the smaller ones. And look at this. These right here are clear balloons that are stuffed with gold confetti in it. I think that is so cute. So this is the bag that has all the gold confetti, clear balloons, small balloons, and the jumbo. Because I can tell from the bag. So we have a purple jumbo, pink, yellow, blue, and green. I am loving this kit. Thank you, Shimmer and Confetti. I really appreciate it, giving me the opportunity to do this video and review this product. I love the packaging. Now let's go ahead and get started on preparing this balloon garland. I am going to show you guys how you can use the balloon pump. Before the remainder of the video, I am going to use my balloon machine because it's faster. So I'm going to turn the camera around and we're going to get started with blowing up all the balloons, and then once I have them all blown up, we are going to start on the garland. Shimmer Confetti, guys. Again, I will be linking their shop down below. Guys, let's go ahead and start blowing up these balloons. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm going to just briefly show you how to use the balloon pump. For those who do not have a balloon machine or don't want to invest in a balloon machine just yet, you can use the balloon pump. And it's basically, I don't know if you can hear that, the air. So let me just briefly take one of the balloons that was provided, and it has a hole right here. You just want to put that in there. You see this groove right here? When you put it on, make sure it just goes all the way and it just kind of fits snug around there. But I will still hold it and just and this is good for people who want to count their pumps to make sure that their balloons are all the same size. If you don't have a balloon sizer, I don't. But the whole point of having a balloon garland, and especially an organic balloon garland, meaning that all the balloons are different sizes, I wouldn't recommend wearing any jewelry. So I'm getting ready to take my wedding ring off so you won't bust anything. But see how it looks more like a cone oval shape, and push it against like your side, your stomach, your leg, your boob, whatever. Get some of that air out. And gently just kind of and I always like to twist my balloons like that, just to ensure that the air ain't going anywhere, and then I'll tie it off. So that's how you do it. right, guys, so I have blown up all of the balloons, all of the latex ones. So yeah. Next step, we are going to string these along. I thought about using the balloon strip, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and try the fishing line. All my garlands, I've been using the fishing line. It just seems to work best for me. So yeah, these are all the balloons. So let's see how it looks when well, I'm gonna show you guys how that process goes with doing the fishing line. All right. Okay, guys, so I am going to start off with it's probably not showing up good on the camera, but this is like a pretty pastel blue. Tie this, make like a cluster. All right, guys, I'm back. So what I've done, I went ahead and basically tied all my sets together, so I won't have to go back and do it. But here I have 2 balloons, and what I've done is just took some fishing line. I did not cut the other end of my fishing line. The other end, I have basically just tied a knot. Just make sure you do not bust your balloon. What you want to do is you want to build off of this set. So you have 2, then I'm going to put another one here. Again, I'm doing each color. So I'll do all the blues, I'll do all the pinks, I'll do all the greens, the yellows, so on and so on. Put it right here, and I'm going to go around. And go around the one that I just already had on here. Take it back around, go around, and around. Okay? And pull a slight tug. Don't pull it too much or your string will rip. So boom, you have your cluster. Now with this kit, I don't have a whole lot of the small balloons, which is okay. So what I've done is, once I do each individual color and I go ahead and have my garland set up, I am going to go in, and for each individual color, I'll go in and fill it in. And I'm just filling it in. I'm going to take it around and around here. Give it a slight tug here. Hey, y'all need to thumbs up this video, because if I was sitting down, probably wouldn't be a big damn deal. But so I got the blue. Let's do one more, and then after that, we gonna just time lapse it until I get this thing done. I'm gonna put this one, I'll say right here. See, like areas like this, I will put balloon here. You wouldn't even know it existed. I'm going to go ahead and sit my ass down. I'm going to time lapse this, and I'm going to lower the camera so you guys can all see, and we'll be back. like to give a special thank you to Shimmer Confetti. Thank you for this collaboration.